There are two very important principles for setting up a drive. First, the method of starting it, which we discussed in previous programs. Second, the method of frequency setting, which we will explain to you today. In the IG5A drive, to be able to select the frequency reference, we enter the FRQ parameter, and there we choose the different frequency setting methods. Next, my colleague, Ms. Bankdar, will provide you with a complete explanation.
On the main screen, press the up arrow 4 times until the FRQ parameter appears. Press enter once, set the value to 0 using the down arrow so that we can set the frequency via the keypad. Press enter once. When it starts blinking, press enter again. Press the right arrow and enter the main screen. Here, to enter the frequency via the keypad, press enter once. Using the left arrow key, carefully move the cursor behind the decimal point and, for example, precisely enter the number 50.20. Make sure that LED 3 is definitely turned off. So please press the enter key twice to effectively apply all the changes. Here I have carefully selected the run mode via the keypad, which is a very convenient method. I press the run button and the device starts operating. While operating, if we want to change the frequency, we press enter once, go to the desired number and use the arrow keys to adjust the value. LED 3 must be turned off for the changes to take effect. I start operating with a frequency of 30. We stop the device. Now, if we want to set the frequency using the potentiometer, we need to go back into the FRQ parameter and set it to mode 3, which corresponds to the analog input of 0 to 10 volts. Then we connect the two fixed terminals of the potentiometer to the VR and CM terminals and the variable terminal to the V1 terminal. Now we've installed the potentiometer, and using this potentiometer we can set the frequency for the device. Now, if we want to set the frequency for the device through the analog current input, we just need to go back into the FRQ parameter and set it to mode 4. If we set the FRQ to mode 7, then we can set the frequency for the device via RS485.
Thank you for staying with us and supporting us with your likes and comments.